How can I be a man of God? I'm a pastor. What will people say? Forget what people will say. Is it the people that called you? Because you don't have a child yet, does not mean you will not have. There is a dimension how God rewards service by the kingdom service. There is a dimension, there is a way. That's why he said to Zechariah, he said to Joel, I will give you back the years the locusts cankerworm have eaten. Two of you come. Let me show you. Let me show you what happened when you serve God. Two of you come. Now, okay, stand here. You stand here. You see, these two people, they started life at the same time. Maybe they started marriage life at the same time. And as they kick-started the marriage, this one still remained here, and this one moved. This one moved. This movement means six children and prosperity. Now, this man, they are in the same years in marriage with this man. And yet this one has gone far, and this man is still here. So in the place of service, when God says, I will restore the years back, God didn't say, I will restore. He said, I will restore the years. Now, what is the dimension? The Bible said the things we see are temporal, but the things we don't see are eternal. In other words, the things that are temporal are the things that are subject to change. And God said, because this one is serving a kingdom that is an eternal kingdom, but his problem is a temporal problem. Now I'm going to restore his years back by the reason of understanding. Now what will I do? I'm not going to, because this one has 6 children already and this one have none. So his years, 6 years, maybe 12 years of having children he's been waiting, is stolen. So what's going to happen? So when God comes, if God give him one child now, he has not covered the years. So there is a dimension in the kingdom that God will go in. God will step into eternity, then go into times by the reason of service that is called to the kingdom divine dimension that will turn all the years that has been eaten up, and God will what will God do? Now God steps out of eternity into time. What is he going to do? He won't give him one. So God will bring him here. Come, carry him, bring him here. 6.
Yes, Papa.
So what will God do? God gives this man 6. So this one, they say, how many years have you been married? He said 12. How many years have you been married? He says 12. How many children do you have? 6. How many children do you have? 6. Go back. Thank you. Thank you very much. 6. That means this one. Because if God gives you one, it's just a freedom, it's not restoration. There's a difference between freedom and restoration. But restoration means he supernaturally carries you. So what happens is that in the place of service, God is going to honor you. Anyone who have been truly serving God here, you will be honored from today.